Oh, look at this rod bend. Oh my God. This is such a light setup. Nice. Welcome to my church, Coldwater Lake. Jeff and I are doing a little fishing this morning. Well, for the whole day anyway. And hopefully we're gonna catch some wild trout out here on this volcanic lake. It's pretty damn cool. All right, let's go fishing. Let's do this fish on. Fish on. There we go. Nice. Oh, it didn't take long after the change. Two in the net.
Oh, that's still in there?
Yeah. Mine's the bigger one.
Mine's the smarter one.
Nice.